What's up, everybody? It is MoeThePro, and I'm here with a video over the MyWater Experience and my clients that have been coming in to get it. So the MyWater Experience is a holistic approach that addresses the scalp. It is a holistic cleansing. It is instant hydration using MyWater solution, and it is also a silk press or curl style and a trim. So this is my first client. This is her first session. She came out of locks. She definitely had severe scalp buildup at that time. We were able to restore her scalp, get it nice and clear, and her scalp, of course, has not looked like that since I've been servicing her. My clients come in about every 2 weeks, so we stay on top of the scalp buildup. This is what her scalp looks like. This is how she looked leaving me after her first session. Everybody is a bit poofy on that first session. It's that breakthrough phase of really trying to break through what's been going on with the hair and giving it some holistic care. So we're moving on into her second session, and this is how she came in looking. So she did a little cutting on it at home. This was after her blowout. This was the silk press look. This is how her hair was looking after session 2, which is a really big improvement from session 1. The same process, nothing was different except her hair. It just improved. This is her third session. This is how she came in looking. Yes. This is how her silk press came out, how she left me looking. And as we can see, it is getting better and better. She does really good taking care of her hair at home. She was so excited about her hair, and that gave me so much joy just to see her so happy about her hair, about the holistic approach, seeing the results of it, and having that movement and that freedom in her hair. She has really progressed. She's due for one more session to where we can really see what's going on, and I'm excited for that. Next, we move on to a new client. This was her first session, and she's been in for 3 sessions so far. That was her length. She was super long. We did a good cut on her hair, and this is how she left me during her first session. We gave her a good cut. That was not a trim. That was definitely a cut. But she needed it. She felt she needed it, so we did that for her. That's how she left me looking. We move into her second session. This is how she came in looking, which was better than the first time. How she was looking after her shampoo. And this is how she was looking after we silk pressed. That's a comparison. She did grow a bit from session 1 into session 2. This is how she left me looking. So flowy and silky. That's her progress from session 1 to session 2. So she came in for session 3 yesterday. This is how she came in looking. I think she had a rough couple of 2 weeks. I know she said she did some sweating. This is how she left me looking. Her hair is still beautiful and silky. Beautiful and silky. Here's a comparison from session 2 to session 3. And how she came out looking from session 2 to session 3. Then we move into this new client that had never had a silk press before. This was how she came in after her blowout. And then we were able to get her looking like this. She is not a person that likes to wear her hair in a girly style, so that was great for her. This is another new client. She came in for her first session. She had some damage and breakage to the back, so that's how she looked after straightening. And this is how she left me looking that day. We only did a slight trim, very holistic trim on her hair. Not much of a difference. This is how she came in for session 2 yesterday. This is how she was looking after our flat iron. She has grown. This is a comparison from session 1 to session 2. This is how she left her session 2 yesterday, curled up. I also had a new client come in yesterday for her first session. She has some thinning going on, so we're going to definitely be working on that. She has some color in her hair. She ended up deciding to leave curled as well. And then we're going to talk about my own journey. So this is my own experience. That was after my very first session using the MyWater Experience and a holistic approach. This is how I began to look second session. In just one session, it's such a big difference from session 1 to session 2, and then from session 1 to session 4. The hair really transitions. All of this is done without the use of conditioner. These styles are done without the use of relaxers. There's no heavy oils being used. There's no serums being used. No heat protectants being used. No keratin treatments. This is holistic hair. This is how your hair begins to look. Here's some growth. You can see my tattoo is a good indication and a good marker of where I'm at. I was able to go out for the first time ever in life wearing my natural hair. Well, my own hair. I'm gonna say that because it's not natural. I do stuff to it to get it to look this way. But wearing my own hair, I felt amazing. I looked amazing. My hair is MyWater hair, honey. MoeThePro Holistic Scalp and Hair Care. I'll see you guys soon.